Betway Premiership, Orlando Pirates 0, Durban City 0. Prakwenda 87.
Hayi
Shevani kube khalwa la esigodini.
Leadership is very bad.
Yeah.
Because we was come from Pretoria
Yes.
to support Soweto United FC.
Yes.
We are united. Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates. We must together.
Yeah.
And break for that 14 years for Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes.
We must together always.
Yes.
So for not only maybe for 1 game.
Yeah.
You see, we must make sure that we must support. We must. I promise you,
Yeah.
all of the Pirates. You know, all of the Pirates are gonna win for the.
Yes. Yes.
I promise me.
Yeah.
I promise you.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see.
What went wrong today to the Buccaneers?
Yes. Slap for first time.
Emiswa guys leba azange ababhale season ithoma.
Even for the can make it. Why
Yeah.
look at this slap?
Eh.
Why look
Yeah.
at slap, guys?
Mambula isale batho.
Yes,
Yeah.
for that one
Eh.
ka bona uri uri umisitse
Yeah.
buthumape uri utswile
Yes.
for what but anyway part yo ba ikhala
Yeah.
part yo ba dlala to bane ina luck.
Yes.
You know you can score or score or win abia utshela score kono.
Yes.
But anyway, so now re ka tse uri Orlando Pirates e ka ba Betway
Yes.
Premiership.
Yes. Sure.
Yeah, sure because
Ake khona ibuwa yeo.
Mr.
Uri pirate itlo
My leadership ne ke ari first week
Yes.
chief e kala ko Durban
Yeah.
mara re ka ba re go kae
Bombela.
so lifting Betway Premiership.
Yes.
You like it or not,
Yeah.
we have got to show that Pirates will lift.
Ukhathethe ka Sundowns no.
Re ka ke nini mana wa bona ntwe ya burgori always
Yes.
Sundowns play win re lapile man
Yes.
horo tshwana le team ba re keng Bayern
Bayern, yes.
na amen 20 years win.
Yeah.
I want to so what baba Germany ba lapile because play winner is Germany always man.
But Sundowns yethi history iberekela go high. Working from home.
We are because horo phaka kwa ho ba bete 3-2.
Yeah.
3-2
Yes.
last week.
Yes.
3-2
Yeah.
phaka utari kuri wa tiri why
Awubashapile pha.
bashapile
Yeah.
kuri phaka hore o ile speckele ne
Yes.
ile speckele hore awa muthu hore
Abambesuka batho.
ambesuka
Yeah.
only flour for 350
Yes.
costing 350 flour
Yeah.
ke ngintwe
Yeah.
ufata to bona
So that's why abashapa.
abashapile 3-2
Yeah.
yeah I know I never that thing
Yes.
so better 3-2
Yes.
so mara for mara let's go waran
A legend ke a leboha.
thank you very much.